English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Appalling, capacity, emerge. Appalling. Appalling is an adjective. C1 learners usually know appalling. At C1, appalling means bad or very bad. Here are some examples. After the accident, he had appalling nightmares. Her attitude toward the local people was appalling. Many people suffered from appalling injuries as a result of the crash. Capacity. Capacity is a noun. C1 learners usually know capacity. It has other meanings, but at C1, capacity refers to a person's position or job. Here are some examples. He wrote in his capacity as her legal representative. She has worked in a voluntary capacity since she arrived here. He acts in a leadership capacity and mentors the trainees. Emerge. Emerge is a verb. C1 learners usually know emerge. At C1, to emerge means to become known. Here are some examples. The truth of the matter will emerge later. The amazing survival stories emerged only yesterday. It emerged that the town council had tried to stop the protest. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with appalling, capacity and emerge. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.